Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so we are on day number 14 and this is my journey through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Alright, so what is day number 14? Day number 14 is my absolute favorite day of the Flylady's baby steps because we're going to talk about calendars. Alright, so if you are new to my channel, you may not know this. If you have been around here for a while, you know that I am a planner girl to the core. I'm all about some planners. I like having lists. I like keeping things organized. I like knowing what's coming up. This is my thing. But not everybody is that way, and that's okay. I do believe, though, that everybody needs some kind of calendar to keep themselves organized. It's important to know what's coming up so that you are prepared. Now, you don't have to have anything elaborate. You don't have to have super structured list. We have our list for our routines and cleaning and things in our control journal, but it's important to have like a monthly calendar so that we can schedule appointments and know when they're coming up. It makes it so that we can schedule them on a day where we know that day is actually going to be a good day to have it. And so it just makes it so that we are able to think ahead and be prepared. I do want to encourage you to keep this simple. I have a happy planner. I have a lot of tabs in here. I keep it with a lot of things, but that's because at this stage in my life, it's what I need. I am a super busy mama. I have actually more than one planner. I have a personal planner. I have a homeschool planner, but I have a lot of things I have to keep up with. I have a husband that has a lot of work activities that I have to keep up with. I have one child that plays football. I have another child that's in a band. These have regular performances, games, practices, all the things. I take other kids to practices, so we do a lot of carpooling, and we also are the overseers for a group at church, and we schedule a lot of events. So if I didn't have a calendar, I would not know when I needed to schedule things. Maybe you're an empty nester and you don't have any kids at home, but maybe you and your spouse have doctor's appointments. Those are things that you want to schedule. You want to look at your calendar and write them down so that you know that you're writing them down on a day that's going to be good for you. You don't want to schedule an appointment and it be a day that you're having company come in from out of town to see you. Or maybe you already had something scheduled that day, but you didn't remember. So it's just a good idea to have a calendar so that you're thinking ahead. All right, so let me give you a couple of tips for what to use as a calendar. I don't want you to feel like you have to do anything elaborate. You don't have to spend a dime. You can go online, you can search free printable calendar, and you can just print out 12 months of the year on single pieces of paper and use that. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can hole punch that, stick it in your control journal, and you're good. Maybe you need like a wall calendar that you can put on the wall somewhere in your kitchen. Maybe you need just a big calendar that you can attach to your refrigerator. Maybe you need just like a little pocket-sized calendar that you can keep in your purse. Maybe you just need to use your phone and access the calendar that is on your phone. Whatever you choose to do, use the calendar. Don't make it hard. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just use it as a tool so that you can get everything out of here down on paper so that you are prepared. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's keep on top of our routines. We're still working on our morning routine. We are still working on our evening routine. You guys know what those things are. We've been going over them and over them. You should have them written down in your control journal, and you're going to keep looking at them in your control journal till they become a habit. One day you won't have to keep looking at them every day, but until then we're going to keep looking at our control journal and doing those things every day so that we have formed those habits. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow.